Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor in Winston-Salem. I'm going to be in your area Wednesday, January 15th with an all-day workshop. We're going to start the day with Become Google Great. I had a recent attendee get a $3.25 million listing. We want the same thing to happen for you, so make sure you're there. Then we're going to take our lunch break, and we're going to come back and we're going to do Generate More Leads for free. Now the record for this class is 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. Come learn how they did it, and you get to replicate that as well too, hopefully. We're going to be holding this at Members Credit Union. Anybody who attends in person, you can join us, and you can join us for free. Attendees that join us via Zoom, the cost for the day is $30, and all proceeds from the Zoom are going to go to KW Cares, and it's going to be donated to all of the Western Carolina hurricane victims. So I look forward to seeing you in person or joining us via Zoom on Wednesday, January 15th. Thanks.